In this video, I will be showing you how to use Canva text to image. Let's get started. Starting on the Canva home screen, I'll navigate over to the AI generation tools to begin a new project. I click on the Image tab to open the generator where I can see my previous creations. In the prompt box, I'm going to type exactly what I want to see. Cottage cheese with sliced strawberries and a sprinkle of flaxseed. Before generating, I want to adjust my settings. I'll click on the aspect ratio button and change it from 16:9 to a vertical 9:16 format. Next, I'll click on Style to browse the different visual looks available. Now I hit the Generate button and wait a few moments for the AI to process my request. Here are the vertical results. They look great, but I'd like to see how they look in a square format as well. I'll go back to the settings, switch the aspect ratio to 1:1, and click Generate again. Now I have 4 square options to choose from. If I find one I like, I can hover over the image to access the Options menu, where I can use Image, Move, Copy, or report the result. To start working with the design, I'll simply click Edit on my favorite version. This opens the image directly into the Canva editor, where I can use Magic Studio tools like the background remover or adjust the filters to perfect the final look. And that is how you use Canva text to image to create custom visuals in seconds.